Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and today I'm making some brisket breakfast burritos. This is part of my series over at Man Kitchen Recipes, where I'm doing how many meals can you get out of one brisket, and I cut that brisket into 5 different sections. And honestly, I didn't think I left myself enough brisket for these burritos. I was gonna just make one, but I had so much brisket, I made 2. What do you think of that? Huh? That is 2 monster brisket burritos, breakfast burritos. I've got onion, green chili, brisket, eggs, cheese. Oh, okay, let me cut into one of these. Let me show you how to make these. I'll cut into one. We'll come back and do a taste test. Okay, so at Man Kitchen Recipes, I smoked this little brisket and made a French dip sandwich out of it. And I saved myself a little bit of brisket for this channel so I can make a brisket breakfast burrito. I've got some homegrown onion here. I'm using a little bit of green chili sauce, jarred from a restaurant locally in New Mexico. Some green chilies, some eggs, and of course, Chihuahua cheese. First thing I got to do is cut up this brisket. Okay, there's my brisket. That's a lot of brisket for a breakfast burrito. I might have to make a couple of breakfast burritos out of that. But I'm going to heat it all up and let's get this going. Burritos are pretty simple. I'm going to add some olive oil in here and get my onions in there. Okay, I'm also going to get my brisket in there. A little bit of pepper. Now the brisket has pepper on it. We're adding a little more. We're going to be adding the egg and then add a little bit of salt. Go ahead and add my green chilies in here and let them heat up and cook up a little bit. You don't have to. Well, if you don't use green chili, that's fine. I am in Mexico, so I just thought I'd cook them up a little bit instead of adding them cold. And then, I don't know if you noticed on the brisket, there was some pieces that have the fat still on the outside edge. And I like frying that up. Look at that. I like getting that fat fried up. Okay. I do have this on a medium heat. I might need to turn it down a bit. I'm going to turn it down because I'm going to add my eggs, and I don't want them to cook too fast. All right, I got 4 scrambled eggs in here. I'm just going to let that cook up. Okay, let's get this burrito assembled. Turn the flame out. All right, since I think I have enough for 2 burritos, I'm going to heat up 2 over the stove. Whenever I do 2 at a time, I'll flip it and then flip the bottom one and then keep doing that until the tortilla is ready. Okay, let's get these burritos built. That is flavor right there. Okay. I'm going to get my brisket and eggs. I probably could have used more eggs, you know. I thought I was cheating myself on the brisket from the other channel, but apparently it doesn't take much for a burrito. I am going to add some of this green chili sauce. The jar is fresh, so it's not cold. Gotta make sure I have enough green chili, right? Okay. Top it with a good amount of cheese. Then we're going to want to roll it up. Fold in the ends. Give it a good roll. Okay, burrito number 1. In New Mexico, you get red or green. Today we're doing green. Sometimes you can do Christmas when you do them both. Roll it up. Okay, I'm going to throw these back in the pan just to kind of crisp up the edges a little bit. They both barely fit. This will also help the cheese melt a little better too. All right, so we'll be back in a sec. Right, let's cut into one of these and see how we did. Cut them a little bit of a diagonal. Look at that. Brisket, smoked brisket, breakfast burrito. Man, I'm telling you, I love brisket. Let's get a taste of this. All right, what do you think of that? Huh? Look at that. Brisket, smoked brisket, breakfast burrito. As soon as I cut into that, man, my mouth started watering, so I got to get a taste of this. All right, there you go. Brisket, green chili, egg, onion, cheese. I love that brisket. I smoked this one on my barrel smoker with that pecan wood. Oh, so good, so flavorful. All right, that's it for my this part of the brisket meals from Man Kitchen Recipes. Over to here, I try to do them during this series, do one over there, do one over here, with making something, obviously, with a tortilla. We're taking over the tortillas. Look at that, so good. All right, if you get a chance, you have leftover brisket, make yourself a brisket breakfast burrito. Thanks for checking it out. You've been watching Tortilla Takeover. Have a great day. That's what I like.